Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I open the curtains.
I open the curtains.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I floss my teeth.
I floss my teeth.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I make tea or coffee.
I make tea or coffee.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I use my computer.
I use my computer.
I go to meetings.
I go to meetings.
I take a lunch break.
I take a lunch break.
I finish work.
I finish work.
I go home.
I go home.
I play with my pets.
I play with my pets.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I check the weather.
I check the weather.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and share.